Hello everyone! Today's video will be about the unboxing of my two new fragrances from the brand Amouage. The first one I will unpack is Amouage Reflection. As you can see, this perfume is packed in a pedestal box. Many people complain that this type of packaging is the most unsuccessful because the bottle is fixed only in the lower part of the box. And it is not fixed in any other way, and the risk of breaking the bottle by accident is very high, especially if it is your first bottle from this brand and you do not know that you may be in for a surprise. Yep, I already can feel that the bottle has fallen out of the holder and it is dangling inside, so I will be extra careful. The packaging is mirrored with a purple ornament. And this is the moment of truth. I was right, the bottle fell out. There is no lid lock inside, and it happens almost always when the bottle is packed in a such box. The bottle is absolutely mirrored and justifies its name. And also you can see me and my camera. As well as all Amouage bottles have a branded magnetic lid, in a form of a mask dome in a woman's versions, with a crystal in the color of the bottle or a box. In the inside, the box is decorated with a synthetic velvet, which will collect dust. I have already experienced this on a Figment packaging. The next is Amouage Beach Hut. I can immediately say that this perfume has more elaborate packaging. It opens like a jewel box. Well, let's see what's inside. The packaging is stylized as a sunburned wood. Yes, like I said, in this packaging the bottle is very secured at the back. It sparkles very nicely in the sun. Orange sunny bottle. The white cap is crowned by an orange crystal. And I'm obsessed with these magnetic lids. Also, I like that the velvet inside is a light colored, so you won't see the dust. On the cover of the box there is also a pillow that holds the vial tightly and prevents it from the falling out. Well, I will proceed to testing and wearing these fragrances, and a little bit later I will tell you all about them. And I will tell you not only about these two fragrances, soon I will make a video about my all Amouage fragrances. And subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my new videos. And have a nice day!